all of us here at the Alto Norte Metallurgical Complex, welcome. During the next few minutes, we will briefly explain our safety procedures, an important part of our sustainable development policy, to help ensure that you have a safe and enjoyable stay at our installations. Alto Norte, owned by Xstrata Copper, which has its headquarters in Brisbane, Australia, is one of the business units of the Xstrata plc International Mining Group, with operations spanning the globe. Xstrata Copper is the fourth largest copper producer in the world, supplying more than 1 million metric tons annually. To assure your safety, we want you to be aware of the main risks inherent in our operations, as well as the measures and procedures we have implemented to achieve our first strategic objective: to maintain a healthy, accident-free work environment. While in Alto Norte's operations areas, your main risks are gases and particles in suspension, mainly sulfur dioxide, SO2, and particulate matter, respectively, generated by the chemical processes that take place in the operations areas. Not using suitable personal protective equipment can result in respiratory irritation in the case of SO2 exposure, and eye, skin, and/or respiratory irritation in the case of particulates. Noise. Contact with sulfuric acid. High temperatures. Metallurgical processes conducted at high temperatures are generally associated with the emanation of hot gases, occasional splashes of red-hot particles, extremely hot structures, and infrared radiation emissions, as in the case of the converter's molten metal. You may be injured if you do not use your personal protective equipment. Copper water. Water leaking or spilling on molten copper can cause a violent reaction with metal dispersion. Equipment and materials. Machinery in operation or movement, and falling objects also pose safety risks. To avoid injury, always proceed with caution and pay close attention to what is going on around you. To visit or work in any of Alto Norte's operations areas, you must use the following basic personal protective equipment: safety hard hat, safety glasses, highly efficient hat-based respirator with filter for dust and acidic gases. In areas with exposure to splashes of red-hot particles, in addition to the basic gear already mentioned, you must wear a fire-resistant woolen jacket, a fiberglass high-temperature hard hat instead of the basic safety helmet. Basic safety rules. Do not enter restricted areas. To operate any type of equipment, you must have the proper authorization. You must never enter the workplace while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. You must always consider the smelting equipment and materials to be extremely hot. Never cross in front of or deter a moving slag ladle carrier. Please observe all of these safety instructions to maximize your safety. Once again, welcome to Alto Norte. Have a good day.